Hey guys, welcome back! And if you're new to this channel, welcome to Mr. Mac Money. I bet you clicked on this video because you want to earn money this year 2021 the easy way. Well, you're in for a treat. Because today I will be showing you a new method where we can earn money just by using our mobile phones. Now, I know you're gonna love this because this is available worldwide and this is absolutely free. You know what? I'm gonna tell you now that you can earn up to $5 per minute by using this method or by doing this method correctly. Alright, now to those who are new to this channel, I have been telling my viewers to not skip any part of this video. Why? Because if you skip, then you might miss out on important details. And if you miss out on an important detail, even just one important detail, then you might end up not earning anything at all. And we don't want that to happen. So just sit back, relax, watch this video until the end so that after watching this video, you can then start earning money online. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where I teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Make sure to like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now let's go back to the video. Alright, of course, now in order to get started, we have to go to the website. Now this is the website. As you can see right here, Get Paid Fast. You can receive your payments within 24 hours. And you can receive them via PayPal, Skrill, Amazon, Tango Card, or Bitcoin. And I know you're gonna love this method because I love it too. Why? Because we receive our payments within 24 hours, as you can see right here. We don't have to wait like several days, or we don't have to wait for a month in order to get our payments. Now, what are the benefits if we join this website? First of all, we can access online paid surveys. Second, we can make money online. Third, we can get paid today. Fourth, work from home, because we can do this on our laptop or on our mobile phones. We can do this anywhere we are in the world. And the last one, we have a free join bonus. So if we join this website, they give us a free join bonus, and not all websites do that. So this is really great. Okay, now if we scroll down a bit right here, you can see that so far they have paid their members over $2 million. Now, that's a lot already considering that this is a free website. Right here below you can see Earn Cash. They will reward you for completing paid surveys and online offers. You can redeem your cash using PayPal, Bitcoin, or Skrill and get paid the same day. And in order to earn points, all you have to do is watch videos, you can take part in paid trials, you can answer surveys, or you can complete offers. Now, I understand that some of us don't like to answer surveys because it's long, it's boring, it's time-consuming. But what's great about this website is that you can do other things than just answering surveys. Also, their surveys here are short and fast, so you don't have to worry about answering those long, boring surveys. Alright, now before we proceed to the next step, I want you guys to comment down below what payment method you like, or what payment method do you prefer? Do you like getting paid through PayPal? Do you like Bitcoin? What do you like? Let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, so in order for us to start with this method, of course, we have to log in or we have to sign up. Now, this website is called rewardingways.com. Again, this is rewardingways.com. Now, what you'll need to do is click on this join free button right here, or this join free button right here at the top. Now, when you click on that, you'll then be redirected to this page where you can sign up for free. You can register in just 30 seconds and get paid today. So it's really easy. All you have to do is put in your first name, your last name, your username, create a password, and put in your password again. Put in an email address which is valid, put it again right here, and then write in all your other details right here. And as you can see here under countries, when you click on this drop down button, you'll see that this is available all over the world. So wherever you are, you can do this. And then right here below is your payment account details. Now, if you don't have any of these, you can put none. But you know what? It's really easy to create a PayPal account. Just go over to paypal.com and create one. You can also do that with Skrill, Payza, and Bitcoin. Now right here below, all you have to do is tick these boxes right here. And then of course this I'm not a robot CAPTCHA right here, and then click on register. After you do that, you'll then be redirected to this page right here where you'll read this. Success! A confirmation email has been sent to your email address. So again, you have to enter a valid email address in order for you to log in. And then once you log in, once you have confirmed your email address, you'll be redirected to this page right here and you'll see this. Congratulations, you have been successfully registered. So they have added 20 cents join bonus to your account balance, and you'll be able to make your first cash out when your balance is over $1. So right now, the next thing we'll do is we have to earn money, right? So what I want you to do is hover your mouse right here on earn money at the top part of your screen, and then you'll see this. There are a lot of different surveys available for you to answer. You'll never run out of surveys. So for this video, I want you to click on popular surveys like so, and then you'll be redirected to this page right here where you'll see the most popular paid surveys. And right here below, these are the latest top paid surveys and offers. So you can click on whatever you like right here. So for example, let me click on this Your Surveys Worldwide Direct Unlimited. Then I'll be redirected to this page. As of now, for this day, you see that there's only one survey for this, and this is worth 85 cents. Now let me click on another one. This is Easy Surveys International. Now when you click on that, you'll be redirected to this page right here with the Easy Surveys International surveys. As you can see, there's also one survey as of today, but you don't have to worry at all because every day there are new surveys right here. As you can see, there are a lot of different options. And again, if you hover your mouse over earn money, there are over 10 survey categories right here. So again, you will never run out of surveys to answer. And you already know that answering surveys is not the only way for you to earn money with this method or with this website. If you hover your mouse over at offer walls, you'll see that there are a lot of different offer walls to go to where you can complete different offers. So right now, before we proceed to the next part, before I tell you guys how to withdraw your earnings, if you're enjoying the video so far, go ahead and smash the like button and hit subscribe. That said, let's go back to the video. Now, in order for us to withdraw our earnings, all you have to do is go back to the home page right here and click on Withdraw Cash. You'll then be redirected to this page right here where you can request your withdrawal below. So you can use PayPal, you can use Skrill, or you can use Bitcoin. Now that you've reached this part of the video, I am going to show you guys a bonus website where you can earn money. So you can use these two different websites at the same time so that you can earn double. Now this is the second website, and this right here is similar to rewardingways.com. Now you can get paid to fill out free offers, take surveys, play games, sign up for free sites, sign up for free trials, and earn cashback for online shopping. Aside from all that, you can also earn money with this by referring your friends. Earn passive income with their awesome referral system. Refer your friends and earn 25% of their cash offer earnings, plus $1 per active referral. And then right here, get paid. Payments, gift cards, and prizes are sent the next day. And this is free of fee. Earn even more when you participate in their daily and monthly contests. Your earnings will surely start to add up. Now right here, all payments and rewards are sent the next day, completely free. This website has been paying their members around the world since 2007. And you can see that there are a lot of different payout methods right here. Now this is squishycash.com. This website is squishycash.com. Now if you sign up, all you have to do is go here below, and then add in your email address. Just that. And if you have logged into your new account, if you're done signing up, you'll earn a $3 free bonus. Now, you can use rewardingways.com or you can use squishycash.com. But if you want to earn more, then I advise you to use both of them, especially if you have multiple gadgets. So you can use Rewarding Ways on your laptop or your computer and then go to your phone and use squishycash.com. And that's it! If you like this video and if you learned something from this, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. As always, if you have questions, comments, or suggestions, just go over to the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!